Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Acadia Ocean View Motel. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. This Bar Harbor, Maine Motel is located 2 miles from Acadia National Park and has a seasonal outdoor pool. Enjoy panoramic views of Frenchman's Bay from the terrace. Some guest rooms at the Acadia Ocean View Motel feature a balcony with ocean views. They have cable TV, a refrigerator, Wi-Fi and coffee making facilities. Oceanfront dining is available at the Chart Room restaurant, which is 2 miles away. Other options in Central Bar Harbor, including 2 Cats and Cafe This Way, are 5 miles away. Bar Harbor is 5 miles from the motel. Pirates Cove Adventure Golf is 5 minutes walk away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.